Yeah, so this is how you secure a vehicle on a 40-foot gooseneck with mega ramps, right? Flatbed gooseneck. All right. So you always want to make sure you don't damage any of the lines, whether brake lines or anything. So always put it over this side when you put it around there, you know, so you don't damage like lines like these and stuff, right? All right. So as you can see, it's already right here. It's not damaging anything. It's gonna be standing up too, so it's gonna be great. And also the metal parts there, not damaging your strap also, right? All right. Let's get it. Now, all right, boom. That side, get that side. Now I'm gonna get this side, you know, because I'm using, try my very best to hold the camera and do it. All right, so you always want to put this in the metal area at the side that you want to tighten. You're going to tighten so it has a tug, you know, at that tug. So I'm going to strap it right here so it have that reinforcement to produce that tug that we need to provide the extra security. Right? Hold on. Pull this up a little more. Make sure it's even. Always good to make sure it's even right across, because if this side, say one side is down, there's a possibility it might just, while you're driving, it just take its time and ease up. So you want it to be balanced, you know? Yeah, so the physics keep it in line, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, right here now, as you can see, I'm a grip. Bam. See, I hook it right in there. I hook it in there. Now I'm gonna hook this through here and then pull it back and bring it this side, and then I crank it. Right? So boom, I'm gonna turn this around like this side. On this side. See? I said earlier, I'm gonna push it in right here, and then when it come through, I just pull it up like this. Bam! That's what you need, yeah? That's what you need. So you pull it as tight as you can, make sure it's snug. So like you see this gap, that gap over there, you want it right exactly extremely in the corner, right? So hold on, let me just give it a little crank so it can hold it in place so it don't release back. Hold on. Alright, now lock it, you see? Lock it, have it in place. So it's still free, so I could put that in place. So you see, it's right now it's over there in the corner, right there. See? This is okay, it's no problem. Now we're gonna crank it, give it a little more tug, see if we can get anything else. If not, it's okay. Now we're gonna crank this, right? Hold on. Let me bring it up back, it's gonna slip a little. Let me crank it again. Bam, bam. Now I can use the one and crank it because it's already in there and not gonna move. So look on the motion. Each time I crank it, it's getting tighter and tighter. Right? And when you feel it, it's stiff like this. You can't move, no matter how you tug it. It's like that. That's when you know, okay, you're good. So you close this down. You pull this up and push it down. Oh, so good. So this right here, you always want to make sure that this is always in the groove. So this have to go entirely up, so this can snug right in the groove right there. If not, you're gonna have a lipping like this. You always want to make sure it's locked completely, because it can fly open when you're driving. Okay, that's your security. So we're gonna push it up one more time, just a little, and you're gonna see it flying. Hold on. You see that? Now it's fly right in. Let's look on the other side. Let me see. See? Yeah. Yes. That's great. You can get these straps on the Amazon. Alright? It's very cheap. Yeah, so that's how you secure a vehicle and a gooseneck, a 40-foot gooseneck flatbed with mega ramps, okay? Yes. And you do the same thing, you just rinse and repeat it for all the axles. You know? It might have a slight pull into the tire, but that's normal, okay? That shows that it's really giving you a extra reinforcement, and you need that driving on the road, because you don't want it coming loose. So that's enough tension. And when you drive like 50 miles, you know, or when the spirits say go and check it, you just go and check it to make sure everything is everything. You walk around the vehicle and make sure everything is still snug, you know. All right. Love and respect, Chuck Media family. All right. Yeah, man.